Problem number 8, same question booklet. Problem number 8, page number 64. So I'll take up that one at present. Raja, Rani and Mantri were partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Their balance sheet on 31st December 2017 was as follows. So it's a calendar year ending. So new fresh year, accounting year starts here in this 1st January 2018. So a balance sheet is given here. Investment, goodwill, premises, patents, machinery, debtors, bank. Then creditors on the liabilities side, reserve fund on the liabilities side, and 3 capitals are given. Total of the balance sheet is 1 lakh. Date is very important. Underline 31st December 2017. Previous year balance sheet. That becomes the opening balance sheet for current year. Mantri, guys. So Mantri is the third person. So third person's capital to be checked, given very clearly in the balance sheet. Dies on 1st May 2018. So till 1st May he was alive. So from the balance sheet date to the date of death, he was alive for January, February, March, April, 4 months only. 1st May, so May is not counted. Only the first day, so May is not counted. 4 months he was alive. The agreement between executors of Mantri and the partners stated that, so 3 adjustments are given. Goodwill of the firm valued at 2.5 times the average profits of the last 4 years. So 4 years profit is given, 13,000, 12,000, 16,000, 15,000. So we have to take an average and multiplied by 2.5 times. That will be the goodwill of the firm. Underline the word of the firm. So 3 partners together, the goodwill will come. Then we have to find Mantri's share and it has to be divided among the surviving partners. Then second one, B, the share of profit of Mantri should be calculated on the basis of profit of 2017. So 2017 profit, assume 2018 is also same. So we have to calculate for Mantri. He was alive for 4 months. So what is the P&L suspense account balance for him? Estimation, we have to do that. Next, rupees 4,000 should be paid immediately and the balance should be transferred to executor's loan account. So here, executor will be paid 4,000, not Mantri. Mantri is not allowed to pay 4,000. It has to be paid to the Mantri's executor. Prepare Mantri's capital account. That's all given therein. So we can go for preparation. Any doubts you have, you can ask me.
Sir? Sir, we should not consider May, sir.
Yeah, 1st May, first day of May. So that is not counted.
Okay, sir.
If it is end of the month, we take into calculation. Otherwise, we don't take that into calculation. So 1st May 15. So first, as usual, Mantri's capital is 20,000. So problem number 8, page 64. So Mantri's capital 20,000, first one. And we have to see the balance sheet. Whenever balance sheet is given, do you have a reserve fund, general reserve, profit and loss account? We have to check. We have here reserve fund 6,000. That has to be given here. Then you not tell in the problem. Reserve fund account 6,000 total. In that, Mantri's share is 2/10. See, 5:3:2. Mantri is the third person, so 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 10. So Mantri's share will be 2/10. it is going to be 1,200. Next, no P&L account. So they have not told also capital to be given, reserve fund to be given. Many students don't take because it is not in the adjustment. So it is not like that. Capital, reserve fund, and P&L account, all those are going to be given to partners. It is very much their right to receive. So that will come automatically. Next, goodwill of the firm, 2.5 times average profit. So calculation of goodwill, average profit is total profit divided by number of years. So 4 years profit I have added here divided by 4. So it will be 56,000 divided by 4 is 14,000. So goodwill of the firm, average profit into number of years purchase. So 14,000 into 2.5 times, that comes to 35,000 of the firm. Then monthly share of goodwill, 35,000 into 2 by 10. So monthly share is 7,000. So monthly's goodwill to be written off to Raja and Rani in their P&L ratio, that is equal to 5:3, that is going to be 8. So first Raja will share how much of profit, so how much of goodwill. So 7,000 multiplied by 5/8, four three 7,5. Next, Rani, 7,000 into 3/8,
2625.
2,625. So we will go for goodwill credit side by Raja's capital account 4,375 by Rani's capital account 2,625. So any doubts in calculation of goodwill, you can ask me. Then the share of profit of monthly should be calculated on the basis of the profit of 2017. So 2017 profit is 15,000. Based on that, we have to calculate by P&L suspense account. 2017 profit is 15,000. 15,000 for 1 year, remember, per annum. So we had to first calculate for 4 months. He was alive. 4/12, how much? That comes to 5,000. 5,000 rupees for 4 months. In that, monthly share 2/10. That comes to 1,000 rupees for monthly. 15,000 per annum into 4/12. For the entire business, the profit for 4 months will be 5,000. In that, monthly share will be 2/10. So 5,000 into 2/10 is 1,000 rupees. Next, 4,000 to be paid immediately to the executor and the balance to be transferred to executor's loan account. That will not come in the capital account. So we can go for closing the capital account here. So the total comes to, second, 20,000 plus 7.
25,200.
No, second. 20,000 plus 1,200 plus 7,000 plus 1,000. 29,200.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 29,200. I'll take 29,200 here on the credit side. The balance also will be 29,200. That is Mantri's executor account. Remember? So I will prepare now Mantri's executor account. I'll prepare now. So here Mantri's capital account, the money will be 29,200 to be paid to the executor. In that 4,000 is paid immediately. So 4,000, you can see here, cash is available in the bank. There's a balance sheet. 8,000 balance in the business. Out of that 8,000, they'll pay 4,000 to the Mantri's executor immediately. So Mantri's executor's account debtor to bank account. So whenever the money is paid, it is going to be to bank. Bank is the payer or the giver, credit the giver, and the balance to be transferred to the executor's loan account. So we have to balance now. In this problem, executor account also we need to balance. So executor's account, when you balance, it comes to 25,200. That is to executor's loan account. You can see here, balance amount. So this is the, whenever you have a payment in the Mantri's executor account, a loan to be transferred, money to be transferred to loan, then this account to be balanced. Otherwise, no need to balance the account.